Oh gosh, that did not work. Anyway, hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. We are playing Prison Life in Roblox. Now, alright, let's go. Go! Alright. Cost a chance. We all know how to get out of here, man. I know. It is free time. Let's really quickly escape, like, as the easiest way. Alright, let's go. Alright, so guys, our plan to escape is eat my penis. Our plan to escape is, alright, here we go. I'm gonna go in here and like keep tricking them, and once that happens, I'm just gonna ask them, and then it'll work. So dodge. Okay, so as you can see, all I need to do is I got the gun. Right. So this. All right, guys. We got this in the bag. That gun. Grab the gun, guys. Grab the gun. Grab it. Kill him. Alright, guys. Come on, guys. Get the key card. Get the key card. Alright, go. You keep going. Kill some more guards. Oh, gosh. Kill her. No, no, don't do this to me. No. 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 You'll die. Anyway. You find a way. Get out of here, man. Oh gosh, I know, it's my phone, works well now. I didn't have any ammo. Alright, one sec. I'll drop the gun, I dropped the gun. I dropped the gun. Jailbreak's easier, I'll jailbreak more. Come on, man. You will die. Oh, yeah. Abuse. Why abuse? Pickpocket. Yeah, pickpocket. Right. Second. Oh! Mario. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, guys. You're right. I didn't do anything. Kill this food. Cereal for dinner. Alright. This is way to do. Sorry. Yes! I have the hammer though. The hammer. Get it! Yes. Guys, have the hammer. Guys, I have a real weapon. Holy crap. And then... Diamond! Come on. Slice, 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 slice. Slice, slice. Slice it. Slice it. Slice it. Yes. You have 9. You have 9. Guys, don't eat. No time to... Alright, come on. Yeah! Yes. Alright. Holy crap. Holy crap. And kill everybody. Holy crap. I already got that. I'm gonna kill a guard, kill a guard, kill a guard, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. I already have that. Where's it? Anyway. Holy crap, man. I'm smashing the guards. No. Oh gosh. Guard. Got 9. No. There's a guard from there who's just scouting. Alright. Must return to their cell. I can't get back in. Can't get back in, guys. I can't get back in. He won't, but I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Oh gosh. I think it's fine. So. It's fine, boy. Get the fuck out of here. Alright. Gonna dive in. Keycard. Oh! Oh! Yeah. Alright, there we go. You will be the show. Yes, we are. I don't know what we're doing now. I found a lot. And I didn't know to look at the time mode. We got this. We got this. Get this now. Just wait. Here's I could wake up at 5 a.m. Oh, I thought it was a guard. Anyway. Bop, bop, boppity, bop, 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 boppity, bop. Come on, guys. Happiest lights. I think we wake up at 7. Well, those clocks. TV shows are 8. Oh, it's 6. Alright, come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ouch. Let's go. See? Oh. Yes! Boy, alright. I have to do this. I have to do this, man. I'm gonna go back to Roblox. Go to profile. Go to... what else did I... friend. And go back to the profile. And then, after that, I'm going to my friend requests. Where's my friend requests? Alright. I request accept. Yes, that's my friends. Oh yeah. Anyway, guys, we escaped. We had fun. See you guys next time.